Welcome to Home of Om. Let's work together on how to build a yoga practice. In this video, we'll work with 3 more backbends: the lotus, the bow, and the camel. If this is your first Home of Om video, then why not try one of our other videos? Twists, triangles, Surya Namaskar, and even better, subscribe to our channel. So let's work with the lotus posture, Shavasana. Very simple. I like to work like this. I'm going to make fists with my hands, and I'm going to bring my arms down under my body like this and make fists here. And I'm going to roll over and place my chin on the floor, like so. Now, it's very, very simple. First of all, you're going to raise one leg up and hold that for about 5 seconds with deep breaths. Then the leg drops down and we do the other leg. Then you bring the elbows a little closer together, and I'm going to raise both legs up, and I'll stay here for about 5 breaths. So a very simple posture, the lotus. So the second posture is the bow posture. Again, very simple to do, but quite strenuous. So I'm going to bend my knees, bring my hands to the ankles. Yeah, and really let yourself relax. Let the shoulders relax. I raise up my head, and then I'm going to lift up the knees. And I will hold this for about 30 seconds. Yeah, so we don't want to hold it too long. It's quite a strenuous posture. So this third posture is the camel posture. Now with this posture we want to take a little bit more time. Again, it's a back bend. It's a little strenuous for the back. So we're going to move in and out 3 times and then go into the full posture. So I'm coming up onto my knees. Now the legs are a little bit more wide here. Bring the hand to the back. I'm going to push forward with the hips. The chest opens and let the head drop back. Now hold it for a couple of breaths, then come back up. Now just let the body relax. For the first time, go back down again and just let the whole back and body system relax. Then we'll come back into it again. So I'm going to support my back. Now for some people, the posture just going this deep is quite enough. So again, pushing the hips forwards, letting the chest open, and the head drops back. Now, if you find this quite easy, then we'll go on to the more advanced version of it. Just again, let the body relax first, then coming back onto the knees, pushing the hips forwards, the chest is pushing forwards, then very slowly you're going to bring the hands towards the feet, and then let the head drop back. And look to the wall behind you. And breathe deeply.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Come to your yoga mat and let's begin our yoga practice together. Lay down on your stomach. We're going to begin with the Locust, Shavasana. So we're making fists with the hands. Bring the chin to the floor. And we'll begin with the right leg, raising up the right leg. And hold this position and breathe deeply. And slowly lower the leg. Let's work with the left leg. Raising up the left leg. Relax the muscles of the back. Breathe deeply. And slowly lowering the leg. And we're going to bring the fists really close together, and we're going to work with both legs. Shavasana. 3 deep breaths. 1, 2, and 3. Raising both legs up. And maintain your breath. Relax. It's a little strenuous. Relax and breathe. And breathe. And breathe. And slowly lower the legs. And it's important here to completely relax. Make a cushion with your hands and lay the cheek on your hands. Mind relaxes, body relaxes. Relax. Let's work with the next posture. We're going to work with the bow posture. Dhanurasana. So I'm going to bend the knees and grab onto the ankles, raising the head, raising the chest, and raising the knees. Breathe deeply, breathe deeply. Enjoy the asana. Don't stress. And slowly coming out of the posture. Once again, completely relax the body. Feel the breath. You can bring the cheek to the hands. Make a cushion with your hands. Relax. Deeply relax. Let's go for the final posture, the camel. We're going to work 3 times here. Utkatasana. And coming from child pose. And come onto the knees. And bringing the hands to the back, supporting the back. Pushing forward with the hips. And allow the head to drop back. Breathe deeply. Feel the inhale and exhale. Coming up. And again, resting, relaxing into child's posture. The whole back relaxes. Let's work for the second time. Again, coming to the knees, supporting the back. Feeling your breath as you push the hips forward and gently tilt the head back. Maybe this time it's a little deeper. Here in the camel, breathe deeply. Breathe deeply. And coming up, and exhale. And once again, we want to relax into the child's posture. Relax. 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 And here we work for the final time. So if you're able to, we're going to go a little deeper. We're pushing the hips forward, head drops back. And this time, if you're able, you're bringing the hands to the feet. Allow yourself to relax into the posture and breathe deeply. Don't stress in any way. If you find it too difficult, come out of the posture. And slowly raising the body up. And once again, very important, relax in the child's posture. Relax. 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 Now let us go into Shavasana, a complete relaxation for 2 or 3 minutes. This is a good idea after the backbends. With the eyes closed, lie in Shavasana, and all the muscles of the body relax. The feet relax, and the legs are relaxing. The hands and the fingers relax, and the mind relaxes. And become aware of the air moving in and out of the body through the nostrils. The whole spine is relaxing in Shavasana. Every muscle of the back relaxes. The shoulders relax. The hips relax. The neck relaxes. And then we're going to come out from the relaxation, stretch the legs, stretching the arms out over the head. And slowly come up to a sitting position with the legs crossed. And we will chant 3 times Om and 3 times Shanti together. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.